Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on Mentellect Patreon.
We are rebuilding our families as an American family, Now there's no out families, now there's no thicker fat American families. No, just as what we are, American families. And this is the reason why, one of the reasons why our families are in shambles. Why you got a bunch of young girls out here with babies and no fathers. Why you got a bunch of abortions, our women stand in the abortion clinics. Because when you try to promote something known as out life or what out people are supposed to do, again, you are creating shadow chambers. You are creating shadow, what's the word I want to say? You're creating a shadow force of people that don't even exist. So that's nothing for our people to go by. I told you, in order for us to save our families, we need a real identity. We need a real ethnicity. We need a real language. We need a real code of conduct. We need laws and order for our people to follow, just us. That is focused on us. We can't share no American values with these people who call them out traditional American values because, number one, there is no traditional American values because the people who claim to be American are not even American. So, again, we don't follow falsehood. We don't follow and believe in anybody being American except us. Why? Because we were the first people here. Everybody came here after us. That includes your court. They're really and that goes without saying. They were the last people to get to this continent. So how the hell do they decide what American family values are? Those their values are and they're still going to be. We don't get if they're going to sit up here and tell us we don't never get to lose our nigger-fatism because they always want to nigger-fat us. Like I'm gonna do a cast on it. They always want to nigger-fatinize us and make you believe we came from nigger-fat, which I said again and I've debunked millions of times is a lie. We did not come from no nigger-fat. We are natives to America, born, bred, projected here into America. Before everybody. First civilizations built here, Olmecs, Aztec, Inca, Mayans. The first people found in the Americas is our so-called people, the bronze copper-colored people. Our true identity, that needs to be restored in our people. For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to Mentellect Patreon. Go to Mentellect Patreon for this complete broadcast because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to Mentellect Patreon and join the American Republic.